Hey, what's up, Kishu Inu holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. My friend, this time the Kishu Inu price is going down. You can see here that the changes occur in the Kishu Inu is completely negative. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, the whole thing is occur in the Kishu Inu. And this time is completely going down, my friends. So how you can save yourself from loss and what should we do in this critical situation, my friends? In this video, I will guide you. Just watch this video complete, and if you are new to my channel, so please also make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. My friend, this time the latest price of the Kishu Inu is 0.00002 USD dollar. That is the currently. Now this time the price of Kishu Inu is also very low and the price is more going down, my friends. So that's a really bad news for all Kishu holders. Don't worry about this, my friends. Now I know this time the changes occur in the Kishu is negative, but very soon the price will pump. You can see, my friend, absolutely. If we look the price chart of the Kishu after last 24 hours, so now you can see here at this time they taken a huge jump. You can see here now I'm talking about this time, but after a jump the price falls down. You can see more, and after some passage up falls down. Now I think this time they again start explosion, my friend. So there is a continuously procedure of the cryptocurrencies market that falls down for some time. After some falls, the price will again pump, my friends. So now absolutely I think that in the next few hours the price is coming soon. The price will pump, my friends. Believe me, my friends. You can see here I think they also start jumping. Let me zoom it. You can see here, my friends, they also taken a jump. They start explosion, my friends. Very soon they start a high explosion, so you have to only wait for it. Please hold it. And now that is the latest update of the Kishu. Hope you like this video. Please also subscribe my channel for more updates, for more news videos. And my friends, don't do this mistake. Don't be decide to sell. If you decide to sell, so you complete your loss your money in a Kishu, my friends. So please hold for a long time, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.